Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block your WhatsApp profile screenshot. Sometimes we can see that some of our friends take our profile photos or our profile about screenshot, right? So that's really problematic. So you can block them from taking a screenshot of your profile picture. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store and then make sure your WhatsApp application already up to date. Because if you don't update your WhatsApp application, that time maybe this process won't work for you. So whatever, just after updating your WhatsApp application, just click here open option, then go to three dot line, then click here settings, and after that go to privacy, then click here about, and then choose this nobody, and then click here status, then choose only share with this person, and after that select here profile photo. You can see it's already everyone. So there are four types of option. So for your contacts, you can choose my contacts, but you can select nobody. And there are another option which is my contacts except. Just click on it, and if you select these contacts, which contacts you don't want to share with your profile picture, just select that contact and then click here tick option. And let me show you these 14 contacts excluded. These contacts can stay in my WhatsApp list, but they can't see our profile photos. Okay, so you can choose these option, whether your profile photos will be displayed but this person cannot see your profile picture, and so that they can't take a screenshot. So just choose that number or that contacts and then just exclude that contacts from your WhatsApp profile. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you can block your WhatsApp screenshot easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.